Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the exterior lighting package with the adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, come around back, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, natural grain gray oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C-Class has $12,218 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.